Why?
Guys, she hit me.
Don't listen to him.
Listen to me. I'm Monster Amy, she's not. It fucking rain. Look, it rainy down here, okay? It's supposed to rain today, tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then we get one damn day off.
Me.
Shut up. No, I don't hit you. No, I don't. That's a fucking lie. Stop being lying. And then we only have one day of sunshine, which is Sunday. And then it's back to rainy. It's like, what the fuck, man?
I get some bed rest.
Yeah, and then this Thursday she gets to have some bed rest. Everybody knows.
This my last day.
Everybody knows what bed rest means, right? You know what bed rest means, I hope. If you don't know.
Here's your cup.
Did you drink it all?
Yeah, I drank all.
Damn.
Here you go.
Hold it. Until I get to the corner of the other block.
I didn't like
Look at that trailer. The city never came to pick those up because it's raining. And they don't work. Well, they do. Some of them do work out in the rain, but the tree trucks, they don't work out in the rain in Texas City.
Look, the sun.
They do it like, if it's a very bad storm and there's a lot of trees, they go around and do it, but I got a blue Mustang right here. Look at these clouds. Look at them. They're all going that direction. They're going to New York. New York's that direction. They're coming from California. Because California had storms that were going towards Texas and Oklahoma. Did anybody hear about a plane going down in Florida? There's a it was, shit, I forget the name of it, but it was on YouTube. It's one of those Boeing planes, whatever they call, however you say it, Boa, whatever it's called, planes. It starts with a B though. Boeing 747, I think that's what it's called, 747, right? I gotta learn my fucking planes, man, seriously. I'm not good with planes. But I love them. Because I have Spaceflight Simulator, and I can build planes in that. Like I built a space shuttle that I'm having issues connecting to my fucking space center. It's like, okay, well, this is gonna take a while. Oh, man, look at that. Beautiful day for me. Well, let me let y'all go because my phone's on 35%. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Don't forget, June 8th, he'll be on
Labor.
My channel. He will be on my channel. He'll be on my channel. It's raining. It rained, it pouring, it's snowing. Bye.